Did you know Americans eat over 3 billion frozen pizzas a year? That's huge! Today, we're taking you behind the scenes at one of America's biggest frozen pizza factories, where they pump out 50,000 pizzas every hour. It's incredible! Did you know that pizza has a history that spans centuries and continents? Pizza's story begins not in the modern world, but in ancient Greece and Rome, where flatbreads and panis focaccia were the early ancestors of this global favorite. By the 1700s, pizza was a popular street food in Naples, providing cheap, simple meals for workers. In 1880, and Domino's in 1960, which helped make pizza a cornerstone of American cuisine. What started as humble street food for the working class in Naples has now become a worldwide sensation. In large production facilities, powerful machines mix and knead hundreds of pounds of dough at once. After that, the big lump of dough is flattened into smooth, even sheets by large rolling machines. The dough is rolled into smooth sheets and passed through a spiked roller to create tiny holes, preventing air bubbles and keeping it flat. Then, precise machines cut the dough into perfect, round pizza bases, ready for the next step. Precision pressing machines shape dough balls into uniformly round bases of consistent thickness. The dough balls are aligned on the platform, and the machine applies controlled pressure. Depending on the final product, the pizza bases are baked in the oven. After baking, the hot pizza bases are transferred to a large multi-tiered rotating tower, where they are gradually cooled. Next comes the exciting part, toppings. Rotating machines gently place toppings like meats and vegetables onto the pizzas in carefully measured amounts. The lines are smartly designed so that any toppings that fall off are collected and reused, making sure nothing goes to waste. Shredded cheese is sprinkled over the pizzas using special dispensers. These advanced dispensers ensure these ovens operate at temperatures of 450 to 550 degrees Fahrenheit and can bake up to 400 pizzas every minute. After coming out of the oven, the pizzas are quickly cooled to preserve their freshness. The pizzas are then moved to the packaging area, where they are placed on cardboard discs or support. High-speed wrapping machines apply a multi-layered plastic film that seals the pizza airtight, preventing freezer burn and moisture. These facilities are truly a testament to how technology can scale up traditional processes while maintaining quality and taste, right? Produces millions of hamburgers daily. Get ready to see the amazing technology behind each tasty bite. The journey begins at the mixing station, where premium flour, yeast, and other ingredients blend into a silky smooth dough to become the soft buns. Like a gentle waterfall, this perfectly mixed dough flows onto the conveyor belt. Then comes the magic. The precision cutting system springs into action. Many cutters descend simultaneously, creating perfect dough circles. Each piece is instantly shaped into that signature burger bun form we all know. The fun continues as these little dough at once. They travel through waves of heat for around 8 to 9 minutes. After their hot journey, the freshly baked buns cool down in an enormous cooling chamber. Imagine a skyscraper built just for the buns. The perfectly baked buns are carefully moved along the conveyor toward the packaging station. Each batch of buns is grouped and placed into airtight bags, where they undergo vacuum-smooth texture. As the ground beef moves into large hoppers, it gradually passes through a precision cutter that shapes it into perfectly uniform patties. Once the patties have been frozen to the perfect temperature, they undergo the final stage of preparation. Smart robotic arms spring into action with precision, gently picking up each perfectly formed patty and placing it into packaging boxes. The patties are now safely packed, sealed, and ready to be shipped out. Solid block into perfectly thin slices of bacon. Each slice is neatly portioned and then attached to a card dispenser for easy handling. Next, the slices move through an impressive automated process, where robotic arms gently pick up each piece with precision and carefully place them into packaging boxes. Tomatoes, both going through a thorough freshness process. The lettuce is carefully chopped, then washed and sanitized to ensure it's free from any impurities. After the cleaning process, it's gently dried to remove excess water, keeping it fresh and crisp. Tomatoes also get special treatment to make sure they're fresh and clean. After they're washed, they go through a smart sorting system that checks for error. Each cucumber goes through multiple stages of meticulous cleaning, ensuring they're perfectly fresh and spotless. Next, glass jars are meticulously sterilized, ensuring they are spotless and ready to preserve the cucumbers at their best. Once the jars are prepped, the cucumbers are carefully packed inside by skilled workers, ensuring each jar is filled neatly. And a special tangy pickle juice is poured in. A slice of cheese. It all starts with huge blocks of cheese. But that's where the high-speed slicer comes in. The automatic machine works its magic, slicing through each block with impressive speed and precision. These perfect slices glide along the conveyor belt, efficiently moving toward their next stop, where they're divided and packed into neat, ready-to-go boxes. We've got all the ingredients for the perfect burger. And now, it's time